Hi guys. Good morning. I mean good afternoon. Good afternoon sa inyo lahat. Hello. How are you guys doing? Kumusta kayo? Yeah, what's up? Hello guys. Kamusta? Nakakain na ba kayo? Who's my big winner? Nasabi ko yun kanina sa umagang kay ganda. I mean, mali. Wait. Hello guys. Mali pala. Sabi ko kanina sa unang hirit. Nag-aalo na yung words ko. Nasabi ko kanina sa unang hirit. Big four ko is gonna be yun nga. Ashley, Clifford, and Rave. Joaquin, Lela, and yeah, si Caprice. I hope you guys are doing great. And yeah, some things are... Basta si Ashley, she's doing great. That's for sure. Early on pa lang, I was supporting her na. And siguro somehow it wasn't shown. Pero I was really her safe space inside. Like, nakakaiyak siya sa akin. Yeah. Yeah, she's doing great. Kayo guys, kamusta kayo? Oo naman, Ashley. Sino big four ko? Yun nga. Sa Kapuso. Magbibigay ako ng 3. Kapuso, Kapamilya. It's gonna be Ashley, of course, Clifford, and Caprice. Sorry. Nahulog yung cellphone ko. It's gonna be a quick live lang. Ano masasabi ko kay Heath? He's very talented. And every day, nire-remind ko siya on how talented he is and how I admire his talent. Kasi sobrang galing ni Heath. Kapamilya is si Joaquin, si Rave, and Lela. Like, I mean, 6 siya, pero parang ganun. Basta sila yung naiisip ko. I know, guys. Yes. Some things are just not really how it is. Super fun. Dami kong natutunan. Ayun na. We're going na, guys. Quick kamustahan lang. I just got my award from NFTV. Thank you. Maraming salamat. Of course, sa Anak TV for this recognition. I'm truly honored. So, thank you guys. Maraming salamat.
Palabas na dito sa'yo. Tingnan lang.
Wait lang guys, wait lang. Masabi ko, hi guys. Masabi ko sa Ashave, dude, since day one, napagkikwentuhan ako ni Ashley, and I really support them kasi I mean, kilala ko naman si Ashley, and yeah, I'm really happy. Ay, dito si Eliza. I'm really happy sa kanila. It wasn't, siguro somehow hindi yata naipakita, pero I was really there for Ashley din kapag nasasad siya every single time. So Ashley's doing great and sad, and I'm happy for her. Eliza, what's up, Eliza?
Kuya, paglabas mo dito agad.
Actually guys, may ganap pa kami ni Eliza later.
Saan ka? Nakalabasan
May
ka?
ganap pa kami.
Hindi.
So,
Kayo
I'm
naman
excited.
umalis. Dito, saan ka ba?
Miss ko na sila lahat dun. Kasi sobrang close. Tinry ko talaga makipag one-on-one sa kanila.
Siya, kuya.
And I really did build like true connection inside. So it's really solid. Yeah, I'm gonna be with Eliza mamaya. On the way ako sa pabalik ako. Na it's really sad. Miss ko na talaga sila.
Ang daming award kasi na.
Kawin lang tayo ulit kaya Jimmy.
Okay na po tayo?
Yep, okay na po tayo. Sumabay na pala sa kay Barbie.
Dalawa sila.
Dalawa, oo.
Ito kasi Martin.
Yeah, nag-live lang. Quick live.
Ang nagla-live ka pa.
Nag-live naman. Di pa kami nakikita ni Adam guys. Di pa.
Hindi na nandito ko pa kayo.
I mean, early on naman talaga. Kilala ko naman si Ashley early on. Talaga, support na talaga ako sa kanila. Ash Rave. Gulat lang din ako. Overwhelmed lang din ako outside, guys. Because I was really okay sa lahat ng housemates. Yeah, even kay Miguel, really close. Yeah, we're really close. Everything's really fine. So I was kind of shocked then.
Oo. Kasi dito, full parking dito. Dito siya sa kabila nakapark.
I mean, going in naman, genuine friendship naman talaga kami ni Ashley. So, kampante na kami sa isa't isa. So it's for us din to discover yung personalities ng bawat housemate, knowing na kapag medyo mahirap na para sa amin, andyan kami para magdamayan. And yeah, I mean, kapag nabibigitan si Ashley sa akin, siya talaga umiiyak. So I was really there. Talagang support each other talaga.
In 100 meters, use the right 3 lanes to continue on Ayala Avenue West.
Ingat kayo guys ha. Kumain na ba kayo? I hope you guys are doing great.
Continue on Ayala Avenue West. In 700 meters, continue on Ayala Avenue
Yeah,
West.
some things are just it's really fun. It's, yeah, some things are just not how it seems then inside. But inside, I was really okay with everyone. Nung bago ako ma-evict, I was just admiring everything. Kasi nasa akin yung parang, it's really bittersweet
In 500
na there's a
meters,
possibility
use the
na
right
umalis
3
ako sa
lanes to
bahay na
continue straight.
full of wonderful people, amazing people. So, I was just really smiling. Kasi it might be the last time na makikita ko sila. And parang wala na ako naisip. Nag-ask na lang ako ng guidance kay God na whatever happens, happens. Because I really admired Heath's talent. So it's not really me being overconfident or whatsoever. But instead, I was just really admiring him. So I was really thankful and grateful sa lahat ng nangyari. Kaya, ano lang ang feeling ko na whatever happens, happens. Yeah. And I'm really rooting for them. Like, really. I really tried to bring the best out of everyone. Lalo na, especially kay Heath. Kasi there's not a day that passes by na hindi ko sinuportahan yung kanta niya. And pinapakita ko yun sa kanya. So, yeah. Oo naman, friends kami ni Ashley talaga. Genuine friends talaga kami. Susuportahan namin yung isa't isa inside. Yeah. Kaya ni Miguel naman, we're really, really fine. I just love the people inside. Lahat sila. Sobrang okay kami ni Miguel. Isa siya sa mga naging na-close ko rin talaga inside. Guys, sabahan nyo kami. May mga ganaps pa kami ni Eliza. And I'm really looking forward. Thank you pa rin sa inyo lahat. What? Malag ba? Lag ba guys? Lag ba? Malag ba? After everything guys, I mean thank you. I'm really thankful talaga sa naging journey ko. And yeah, siguro it was really different lang din in the outside world. nandyan yung isa't isa. Like every time na nasasad si Ashley, may mga times talaga na umiiyak siya, and sa akin niya nalalabas yun kasi somehow, since I know her the most, parang comfort niya din talaga ako inside. So, siguro, hindi lang yata nakikita. Siguro. Kaya ganun. Yes. Yan, close din kami ni Miguel. Lag ba? Yan, nakapag-usap kami ng Caprice after nung whole nomination thing. Nakapag-usap talaga kami. Solid. And I really said sorry. And kasi I was really one of the people na remind him na I just wanted to remind her na sobrang na-appreciate namin yung ginagawa ni Caprice. Malag ba? Lag ba? Guys, I think medyo malag din. Yan, early on naman. It was really fun.
Rerouting. You save 4 minutes via E2 Skyway. More than
Early
avoid
on,
traffic building
nagkausap
up
din
your
naman kami ni Eliza, and yeah, talagang super okay. Even Miguel, sabi din ni Miguel sa akin nung una, like, they're really friends. Early weeks. So, yeah. Yun yung sabi sa akin. Okay guys, medyo low bat na rin ako. I'm gonna see you ulit. I'm gonna go live again, okay? Ingat kayo, and I love you guys all. Salamat. Biyahe na rin, so siguro medyo malag. Bye guys. Thank you. I'm gonna go live again next time. Yeah. Bye guys. Love you. Yeah. Some things are just really not how it seems talaga. Pero it was really a wonderful experience. Pero there was so much more na ginawa ko rin inside, and I'm really happy na nakapag-build ako ng ganong connection sa bawat housemate. There was really so much more. Yeah. Salamat. See you guys. I'm gonna see you again, okay? Bye. Next time ulit. Love you guys. Support kayo dun sa loob, sa mga housemates inside. And may mga ganap din kami ni Eliza in the future, so stay tuned.